Got this cool old double layered table. This top part just unscrews pretty easily. Let's see if I can't just look a little bit better. There's scuffs and stuff mainly in the feet, but then there's stains and things from other whatever, maybe water. Pretty big stain here. First thing, I'm going to take a microfiber towel. See if I can't remove some of this. I need to soak that some. Seems like it's coming off a bit. You can see the dirt on the rag. But I'm going to wipe over this whole thing and get it as clean as I can. I've wiped off just this top with just water, and this is cleaned up a bit. Now I'm going to take some soapy water. This is just dish soap. It's just probably maybe 10 drops of dish soap in here. Just put a thin layer on there. Rub in a circular pattern for deep cleaning. I'll go over that whole thing and see how it looks. Oh, the soapy water worked really well. It removed a lot of this. There's still some left here. This is just plain water now. I'm going to get all that soap off of there as much as I can. I'll let that dry. That's as good as I can get the top. So I'm going to remove it. That's a long screw. That's what you want for strength. There we go. And I'll clean up this. I actually noticed here that this is cracked. When the screw goes into this hole, it's going to probably expand that. So what I might do is try gluing that. Now I'm going to start out just with water on this bottom shelf and clean this all up. And then I'll go over it with, once I'm done with water, then I'll go over with the soapy water, then back with just pure water and wipe everything off. It's cleaned up a bit, and now I'm going to go over these legs with water, then soapy water, then back with water again. Got all the surfaces cleaned. I'm going to use some Old English furniture polish and scratch cover. Used this product for years, and this is only for darker colored woods. And I read all the instructions and I'm following those. Some of the product on a rag. So let's go over the scratches first. And then go over this whole surface. And then wipe it off with a clean rag. Gone over the whole surface. Now I'm going to wipe this all off. And I tried this in a inconspicuous place first, just to make sure there was no reaction or anything bad. It was cleaned up pretty good. The scratches are gone. Here, I think this was I'm thinking there's varnish on this. And that's actually that's come loose from the surface. Wow, looks amazing. Here's what the polish, and then down here I haven't done this yet, but that's next. But I'm going to go over this whole thing. That same thing, put a coat on and wipe it off. We'll see how it looks. Before and after. I'm always blown away. I've used this product for years. I don't use it a lot. Sometimes there's years between using it, but every time I use it, I'm just like, that's incredible. But it now has a little bit of a sheen to it, a little bit of shine. A lot of the scratches have been diminished. There's still problem areas, but it's an old table, and that's just really part of that patina. It's far from perfect. If you want them perfect, strip it all down, restain it, re-varnish or polyurethane it, and you get perfect. But I like these unique things in a piece that really show that's an old piece of furniture. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.